Hey everyone, how are we doing today? Guess what time it is? It's our June Allure beauty box. I am so excited for this box lately, man. I just started getting it and I really haven't been disappointed since. So, it's $15 a month, recurring subscription. You get like beauty supplies, makeup, skin, hair, nails, everything. And yeah. This month, I will say mine was delayed quite a bit. I'm not sure why, but for some reason, they sent me tracking and my box sat in Kansas for like 4 days before it came to me. So I've had tracking for almost 2 weeks on this box and just got it. So anyways, without any further ado, I hate when people say that, but without waiting any longer, because I am an impatient girl, we're going to jump into this. So this month our magazine looks like this, with all of our lovely prices on the inside. And we have a coupon for Bobble Bar. And outside of the box, we have a Do It All 3-in-1 dry texture spray. I love these little sprays. I can just like throw in my purse, and I don't wash my hair every day, y'all. Newsflash, I'm disgusting. No, not really, but y'all know I bleach my hair and I color my hair, so I can't wash it every day without it getting dry, losing color, being a frizzy fucking mess. So things like this are amazing, and I have been like not even straightening my hair lately, just kind of leaving it its natural, crazy, wild lioness self, which I'm sure you guys will see at some point. But today, when we're done doing this, I'm gonna run some errands and hang out with the boyfriend and some friends at a craft brew beer fest thing. So I thought I should put a little bit extra effort into the hair. Anyways, back on track. This, it does not tell me how much it retails for. It doesn't tell me anything. Here, come on now. I don't know. I have no idea how much this normally retails for. SGX NYC. I'm going to spray it. Smells pretty good. Absorbs oil, soft hold. So it is like a dry shampoo and a little bit of hold all in one. So super exciting. That can go in my travel bag. Now, we have bright green this month, and I'm showing y'all upside down. And we have a lot of things in here. So, let's do this. Sorry, y'all. I haven't even eaten this morning. No coffee, no anything, and it's like noon right now, and we're just kind of rolling with the crazy. So, welcome to the show. Okay. First thing we pull out of this bag is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I think vitamin C is the theme lately, because y'all know in our Ipsy this month, we got the Sunday Riley vitamin C, which I'm loving, by the way. I do notice when I first put it on my clean face that my face gets a little bit red. Then it dissipates and it goes away, but it does happen. So weird. Okay, so this stuff, you know, this book is driving me nuts. I don't even know. I guess this is full size, and full size retails for $35. Always glad to get an eye cream. I never make it through a full one. I don't know why they put so much. Like, you could send me a sample of this and I would use it for 6 months and it would be fine. But I like the full thing too. Yay! Okay, next is Avene Eau Thermal Spring Water. Oh, so it's a facial mist. So basically, if you're out and you're feeling a little dry and parched in your skin, you just like throw this on your face. You know, I think Evian has these as well in the checkout line at Sephora. So this is pretty cool. And the only thing that's in here is water and air to spray. So that's pretty cool. This retails for $18.50, which, y'all, are we that much princesses that we have to buy special water for our hair or for our face, and we can't just, I mean, yeah, convenience, but I mean, I know I'm fancy, but are we all that fancy? I don't know. Maybe we are. The next thing we have is this Moroccan oil treatment. I love Moroccan oil. I don't know who doesn't love Moroccan oil, especially, you know, I bleach my hair. I color my hair. So sometimes, you know, these ends be looking a little crispy. So throw some oil on it, revive it, bring it back to life. Totally great. You can also use this stuff for your skin, and you can use it for a lot of things, but totally great. The full size of that is $44, and nobody ever used a full size. Like, you use one drop of this shit. So again, like, thanks. Next, we have Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. Y'all know I'm not a lip gloss girl. I'm not. But I have friends who are. So this is what it looks like, and it does have the doe foot. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to give this away. So that's exciting. So that retails for something I can't read. $16, which isn't bad. If you caught the new Jeffree Star release, his lip glosses retail for $18. So $16 isn't bad. I've never heard of this brand, but you know, it's okay. The next thing we have, I'm excited about. It is the Brow Gal. Let's take it out of this trash. It's an eyebrow pencil because y'all know I need a new one. I've been doing the same thing for a while. So it is a pencil. And I'm not sure why mine has glitter on it. I hope that is not an actual thing. Oh, it's hard as shit though. Maybe this won't be my new brow pencil. The color is actually pretty good. It gets deeper the more you rub on it, but it's very hard. I got it in shade medium 04. It has a sharpener, it has a spoolie on the end, which is really good. Maybe it's something you just have to kind of work with, and y'all have got my house set at like the Arctic tundra right now. It's really cold in here, so maybe that might have something to do with it. But I mean, it doesn't really smudge or move, so that's good. And yeah, that is our Allure beauty box this month. Oh wait, there's something in the bottom. Oh, it's an advertisement for Bandier. I don't know about y'all, but I get emails from them like 3 times a day. It's annoying as fuck. Just stop. I'm not buying your overpriced workout clothes. Okay? Just saying. Anyways, that is our Allure beauty box, and we got this awesome green bag to add to our collection. So let me know, did you all get the same thing? What do you think about this spray water for $18.50? That kind of blows my mind a little bit. Just a little bit. Just saying. My favorite thing this month would be one of these two, because yeah, I'll totally use those. I'm really sad that there's not a lot more makeup in here, but I mean, it's okay. I got something in my eye and I might be blind, so I might not need makeup. Okay, we made it. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. Until next time, guys. Bye!